Hi friends, today I am sharing a complete N8N workflow that transforms your appointment booking into a smart WhatsApp chatbot. This system understands natural language so patients can simply say, I want to book for tomorrow, and it just works. It checks availability in real time by connecting to your Google Sheets appointment calendar, book appointments automatically with zero human interventions, and send professional confirmations and complete with date, time, token number, and clinic details, etc. So the best part is I'm giving this entire work template for free. You can download it and customize it for your clinic in just a few minutes. Okay guys, once a patient sends their name, mobile number, and date like this, if they want tomorrow an appointment, they will get the appointment confirmed message like this. And another customer sending and for an appointment for today, so you can check the token details here. So for the tomorrow date, they will get the higher token like this. And if a customer says you want an appointment for a particular date, then he will get the token details accordingly. So you can see your Google Sheet here, and you can see all the appointments from WhatsApp has been entered directly on Google Sheet. Okay guys, now if a customer send request for an appointment out of these dates, so he will get the message like this as you are seeing in the video. So they will get the message like this, and the message will say the next available dates, and the customer can book the available dates as per the Google Sheet. Okay, N8N is completely free and open source. You can host it yourself without any recurring cost. In my next video, I will show you exactly how to install N8N on your own VPS server, so you will have complete control and zero monthly fees. Okay guys, to create this, first you need an N8N account, or if you have a self-host N8N, then it's fine. You can just, if you don't have an account, you can just create an account on N8N. It's an open source, so you can install it on your VPS server also. So this is the N8N account dashboard. You can create a workflow there. Click on the create workflow option, and you can import a JSON file. You can see here, and this file is available on our website for free. You can simply download from our website. So instead of starting from the scratch, you can just add some credentials and you can start the workflow. That's it. So you can just upload the workflow like this, and you can just clean up all the workflow, and you can just zoom in and click on the OpenAI option node. You can just click on that particular node, and you can connect to your OpenAI API key. So to do that, you can click on the API section and click on create new credentials, and go to the API platform of OpenAI, and you can create a new API key there, and you can select the project and click on create a OpenAI API key. You can just copy that key and paste it here and click on save, and that's it. Now you need a Google Sheet setup, so you can go to the Cloud Console account. I already connected my Google account, so you can create a new credentials. So go to the Cloud Console, and you can create a project there, and you can click on create and click on API services, and you can enable the Sheet API. You can click on the enable API section and search for the Google Sheet API. Once you search on here Sheets, you can see the Google Sheets API. You can simply enable and activate that. Click on the enable Sheet API. Like this, you need to enable the Google Drive API also. You can simply search the Drive API and you can enable it. Once you are done that, click on the consent screen, and you can just add the get started button. Click on the get started button, and you can add an app name and your email address. Click on next, click on external, click on next, and you can add your contact informations and you can complete the setup. Click on create. Once you create your app, you can go to the client service and you can click on create or client. Click on there. You can choose your application type as web application, and you can give a name for your application. You can give any name, and you can authorize your redirect URL. So you can go to your sheet node and you can copy your redirect URL from there and just paste it here. Simply paste the URL and click on create. Now once you create it, you will get the client ID and client secret. Copy it and paste it on your sheet node. Just paste it there, client ID and client secret. Once you add the client ID and client secret, click on save. Then you can just connect your Google account. So you can sign it with Google. So once you click on sign in, maybe get like this a message, access blocked. So go to the audience section on your cloud console and you can add as a test user. So the connection account you can just add as a test user here, and you can add your email address which you are going to connect the sheet. So click on save and you can go to your account and you can sign in again and it will be successfully connected. Okay, right? Once you are done that, you can go to the Google Sheets and you can just copy this ID from the URL. This is your sheet ID. Copy the sheet ID and you can just paste it here. After that, you need you can rename the sheet like this, or we can run a script and rename it. So I will show you how to run a script, and you can just import all the required sheet documents to our new sheet. So just click on this application like this on the sheet and you can just delete all these things and copy the entire code. I will give the entire code for free on the description. You can just go to visit the link and you can download this code and just save the code here and click on run. Once you click on the run button, you can see the review permission options. You can choose your account, click on advanced and go to the sheet like this and click on continue. Once you are done that, you can go back to your sheet and you can see actually I renamed it, otherwise it will show the complete required details on the sheet. Okay, you can just simply allow all these setups and you can see the setup is completed. Click on OK. Once you are done that, you can just go to your app script section and you can just go from list. You can choose the node from the list and you can see your appointment sheet is now available on your node. You can select that particular sheet and you can just save. That's it. Like this, you can add all these update appointment sheet related nodes. You can just update here. It's simple. You can add the sheet ID and the list from here. Just copy and paste this and choose the map automatically and choose the token number options, and you can update all the sheets like this from here. Sheet ID and the sheet name. You can just select the sheet name and click on save. And the send message option, this is also very important section. So you can just copy the, you can just go to this website and you can just create an account. If you don't have an account, you can create an account and you can just copy your instance ID. If you want to create an instance, click on add instances, and you can add a name, and you can connect your WhatsApp to this QR code, and you can just copy the instance ID and copy the instance token. Just copy and paste to the instance ID and go to the API access section, and you can copy the token from here, paste the token, and that's it. Now click on save, and you can activate the workflow. That's it. Now just copy this webhook URL from the first node and just copy it and paste it to the instances section like this webhook URL, and just click on save. You can paste it here, click on save, and now you can test everything is working fine, and that is it. If you want to create any type of automation with N8N or AI, you can just contact us on Facebook. We can do it. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.